Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ayan. So ngayon guys, magluluto ako ng pusit. Ayan. Itong pusit guys, medyo malalaki or known as Nocos. Nocos sa Bisaya. Ayan. Fresh pa yan. Ayan guys. So mamaya guys, hihiwain ko siya ng medyo maliliit para dumami. Ayan na guys, nahiwa ko na ang aking pusit or Nocos sa Bisaya. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba? Sobrang sarap. So ito yung aking mga ingredients, guys. Ayan, ito yung aking sibuyas or onion. Ayan, garlic or bawang. Ayan, meron akong bell pepper at saka siling green. Ayan, hinati ko na siya kasi mahaba. Ayan, meron din akong tomatoes or kamatis. Ayan, meron din akong vinegar, suka. Ayan, soy sauce or tuyo. Ayan. And meron na akong magic syrup granules and pepper. Ayan. So ito guys, meron pa tayong oil at saka kung kailangan natin ng kunting water, ayan, pwede natin siyang dagdagan. Ayan. So ito yung aking mga ingredients. Madali lang siya. Ayan. Super simple. Ayan. See you later.
wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know all